Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in search engine optimization we will discuss about RSS feeds. What basically are RSS feeds, how RSS feeds work, and what are the different types of RSS feeds, and what are the benefits of using RSS feeds, and how RSS feeds can be integrated on a website, both for the website owners as well as website visitors. Let's get started with it. What basically RSS feeds are all about? RSS, rich site summary, also called as really simplified syndication, uses a family of standard web feeds formats to publish frequently updated information, blog entries, news, headlines, audios or videos. What happens is, for example, I regularly use internet and actually visit multiple websites in the entire day. I visit my regular website that I want to visit. I also go to some news websites, I also go to some sports websites, I also go to some movies websites, I also go to different multiple websites that I am interested in reading. What I do is, every time I want to read some news, say for example on CNN.com to get the news, I go to BBC.com to read some news from there, I go to some other website, some sports news to get some sports update. I have to go to that particular website and see the content, see the news, see the information and read them. This is a time consuming process. Every time I have to open the browser and go to that particular site, whichever the site that I want to browse. But what happens through RSS feeds is, if you have a feed reader called feedreader.com, which is basically a tool that actually provides me the feeds from different websites. What I do is, instead of going through multiple websites to get the information from there, I actually download a feed reader, which is a free download. I download it into my system and I install it. Once I install it, a box will open to me where the feed reader will ask me, select all your websites that you regularly visit. I make a list of all the websites that I regularly visit. It could be CNN.com, it could be BBC.com, it could be New York Times, it could be Washington Post, it could be crickinfo.com. All the websites that I regularly visit, I make a list of all those websites and I store it in my feed reader. And once the RSS feeds are coming from those websites, I don't have to go to those websites to get the news. The news are popped out on my desktop. It pops out from here and it shows me which information, which news is updated on which website, and it displays me here. If the latest breaking news is happening on CNN.com, they update the website and that feed is collected from that website CNN.com and actually displayed it from me, because I am actually getting the feeds from multiple sites dynamically. This is what basically RSS feeds are all about. Why RSS feeds? RSS resolves a problem for people visiting the websites regularly. If you are using the web regularly, different websites, you don't have to go to multiple websites to get the information or read that information. Download the RSS feed reader, get the XML RSS feeds from the different websites, store it in your feed reader. The feeds, the news will automatically pop up from the desktop in the corner for you, so that you don't have to go to that website. The websites actually send you the feeds to your desktop. It allows you to easily stay informed by retrieving the latest content from the sites you are interested in. You do not have to bother with what is the latest news that is available on a particular website. If I am interested in, say, in search engine optimization, I want the latest information from high authority search engine optimization websites. When they update the content, I do not know when they update the content. But when I have the RSS feed reader here, whenever those websites update the content on their website, the latest article, news, information or blog post, they keep popping up on my desktop. You save your time, but not visiting the website individually each and every time. You do not have to go to those sites. As soon as you open your system, the feed reader is activated and the news keeps popping up from multiple sites, whichever the sites that you are stored in your feed reader. How to access RSS feeds? Feed reader or news aggregator software allow you to grab the RSS feed from various sites and display them for you to read and use. These are some of the tools: feed reader and news aggregator. The feed reader, news aggregator are basically tools, the software tools which are basically free tools, and when you install these tools and store all the websites where the information is needed for you every day, every time, the news will keep feeding into the feed reader. Download the free feed reader software and copy and paste the URL from the site you visit often. Once you download the feed reader, which is free for you, you copy and paste the URLs. Let's say, for example, I want some news information from CNN. Even on CNN, there are multiple categories. There could be national news, there could be international news, there could be sports news, there could be science news, there could be technology news. All these are categorized on CNN.com, for example. And what is the news that I am interested in? If I am interested in getting technology news from CNN.com, I go to that URL only once. I copy that URL from cnn.com/technology or whatever the URL it is. I copy that URL and paste it in my feed reader, and the news starts coming from cnn.com technology news. The news feeds will pop up dynamically when it is updated on the site. When and whenever the news is updated on any site that you have stored in your feed reader, the news immediately pops up for you, because the feed reader collects those news from those sites and displays it for you. It pops up here. If you are interested in reading the news, click on that, it will open up in the browser going to that particular website. How RSS feeds to be used for the websites? If you have a website wherein you regularly publish content, high quality content, and it could be news, it could be press releases, it could be product launches, it could be any service or a solution that you are actually want this news to be spread, what you can do is you can actually use some of the tools that are available, where you can use those tools and store them in your website, and make sure that you create RSS feeds. You create RSS feeds using an XML file, and this is actually the information that is actually spreading across the board for all the users who are actually subscribed to your RSS feeds, and this can be easily achieved using those tools. There are RSS generating softwares available: RSS Builder, Fetch RSS, and Feedly. These are some of the softwares and tools which you can use to make sure that the RSS feeds are generated from your website, and whoever has subscribed to your RSS feed, they will get the news whenever you update the website. WordPress, Drupal are some of the CMS based software platforms or tools which provide a lot many plugins for you that can be automatically integrated into your website. You don't have to manually do using these softwares. Drupal, WordPress, they have very good plugins that integrate the RSS feeds into your website. You don't have to use these tools, these softwares to integrate RSS feeds when you are using a WordPress or a Drupal platform to build your website. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is RSS feeds, why RSS feeds, how to access RSS feeds, why RSS feeds for websites and how they can be used, RSS feed generating tools. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.